All right, guys, November the 25th, we're on our second job. We just got through doing the Loganville job, cleaning. Now we're going to be also doing a cleaning here. I want to give a good shout out to my friends, my colleagues up in Rome, Georgia, Advanced Cleaning Systems. The owner, Chad Mays, he's one of my good friends as well. What they do, they also do a niche service. What they do is off-site rug pick up and cleaning and deliver the rugs back. So they actually came out here, I think, a few weeks ago, and sometimes when they pick up rugs, the homeowners will ask them about the floors and they will recommend them to me because that's what I do. The client, Miss Barbara, she reached out to me, said, yes, I got your number from Chad. I came out here, gave her a consultation just for a cleaning since the rugs have been removed, and we're going to just clean the floors today. And let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. This is a ranch style home. She said the floors are about 3 years old, and again, she just wants to clean them, keep them clean at a professional level, because the floors do have some residue on it, I can see. And she said, yeah, Courtney, I think my maids have used Bono one time. So what we're gonna be doing, guys, these floors right here, so she said these floors are about 3 years old. They was installed, and she actually has some that's flowing in here as well. So we're gonna be doing all these floors. We're gonna be doing here. The whole house is engineered floors. The office area, over through here, the kitchen area, right through here. And these are one of those floors, guys, where a lot of soil gets embedded into the characteristics of the floor. Then it's dining room table. Now, little stuff like this, guys, we'll just slide it back and forth. Like I said, you're gonna see a huge improvement when we're cleaning these floors. And then out throughout here, all through here. So it's a lot of floors. Then going back to the hallway, and then 2 bedrooms, and then also here, this laundry room. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So we are cleaning these floors. You can really see how soiled these floors are. I'm actually using a pre-treat. Then Tavares is coming back with a dry flat mop to kind of dry the floors. And then we have our Restore with another mop just for that. Let me show you guys the difference, man. Look right here. You can see all that soil breaking down on these floors, and you can see a huge difference, And I've cleaned so far there, here, and here. You can actually see why I stopped right here. Wow. Let me go ahead and get this machine going, guys. Give you some footage. PEX 500 is doing an amazing job. Difference in these floors. First, dirty water dump. Yep, look at that. Yep. Again, this is what the professionals, true professionals, okay, can do to your floors that DIY can't. All right, guys, stay tuned. Wow. Done doing the final touch. The missus of the house just got here, Miss Barbara. Let me see what Miss Barbara. Where she go? Miss Barbara? Yeah, there she is. Come on. I was about to ask you what you think.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Yeah.
This looks really nice. So how do I book for next year?
I'm just going to get you on the books for next year.
Okay, you'll put me on the books for next year?
Yes, ma'am. You want to do about this time?
Yeah, that's fine. We'll
Perfect.
About the same time. That would
Yep.
be perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
Just let me know what works for your schedule.
Yep.
The earlier probably the better than the morning.
Okay. You want me to just book you for this same day?
Yeah, but what's today is Monday.
The 25th. So that would be, I think it would be Tuesday, right? Next year?
Yeah, what's Thanksgiving? One before Thanksgiving. I don't know.
Yeah, on the 28th.
Oh, for next year?
I think so. I don't know.
Let me look and see what Thanksgiving 2025 date is.
All right, perfect. Well, yeah, this floor came out.
This is beautiful.
Yes.
This is really nice. Now, I got that stuff that you told me.
Yes, ma'am. Yep.
And it says that it's going to be mailed. So how can I do that?
I'll show you.
You'll show me?
Yes, ma'am.
It smells beautiful. That's that citrus.
Yes, ma'am.
That smells gorgeous.
All right, guys, that's going to do it. We are done. Miss Barbara is so happy. She's booking her next appointment for next year. 27th? Okay. Gotcha. I'll put you down. As soon as I close out this work order, I'll set you up another one for next year.
Okay, that would be great. Same time?
We can do it in the morning.
Okay, would that be better for you?
It doesn't matter because I just, usually the cleanings, I can do about 2 a day. So I had one before you.
Let's do the morning.
Let's do the morning. Okay.
Yeah, that'll be good.
Perfect.
That'll be beautiful, yeah. And that's usually what time?